is up again this week in Annapolis, but that isn't pushing sales prices downwards. It's Friday, October 20th, 2023, and this is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate market expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Buyers are undeterred by the perception of a higher interest rate, and 35% of Annapolis buyers paid cash for their purchase over the past 30 days. Annapolis inventory rose again this week to 160 homes for sale. 11 homes are coming soon to the market. 31 homes hit the market over the past week. 23 went under contract since last week. 11 moved to pending. 29 homes sold at 100.7% in just 6 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Eastport for $2,790,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at 39 for rent at a median $2,950 per month and leasing in just 16 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 20th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.